Jamaica. So I am, as usual, I always say that you must ensure that your pond is free of insects and critters, right? This is food for the fish. This is what I call a Daphne, right? It's wiggling right here. However, I'll be looking and I realize that I see some snail eggs. No, these are the snail eggs, right? So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be searching through, and all the plants in my ponds that have snail eggs, all the plants in my pond that has snail eggs, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting them in my Jack Dempsey pond and taking the Jack Dempsey vegetation. There they are. All of these are snail eggs. You see them? Right? All of these slimy things are snail eggs. Snail eggs, their eggs outside of the water, right above the water. Right? Snail eggs. Right? I don't want too much snails in my pond. Right? Some of the Daphne will end up get destroyed, but I'm going to be putting them in these plants in my Jack Dempsey pond, and as soon as the snail become mature, born and all of that, they will go down into the pond, into the water, and as soon as they do that, my Jack Dempsey will consume them as meal. Now these plants are from my chromide spawn that spawned later on during the year. Probably about in November. I got a spawn in sometime in October, and I got a spawn in sometime in November. Right, here are some more snail eggs. Right, if I allow these eggs to actually continue mature and nothing is done, what I'm gonna have is that I'm gonna be overrun with snails for a bit. So what I'm using the opportunity now to do is to monitor my pond's vegetation so as to ensure that certain critters are not in it, and if they are, I'm managing the amount that exists in them. So it's a lot of work I'm going to be doing today. Right, I am taking off the debris, the dead leaves and thing from the hyacinth lily. I'm throwing them away. Right, what will happen if I don't do this is that eventually these debris will actually fall to the base of the pond, which creates problem for the fish as to the water chemistry. Right, but this is not done on a regular basis. I'm going to be releasing the water in this pond also, where in which I am going to be trying to siphon out some of the pond, some sections of the pond. Hopefully I do not siphon the chromide flies that are in it. Right, the parent chromides are in this pond, in which I just cleaned the plants a while ago. So follow me now as I remove the plants from this pond and take them to my chromide tank. This was in my Jack Dempsey pond, right? I am not saying that snails are not in here, but the moment the snails actually leave the safety of the leaf branch, right, is the moment that they will be consumed by the ever hunting Jack Dempsey as they search for food. Right? So I am presently just cleaning up these plants, taking out the excess long roots, and I'll be placing them into my chromide fly tank. Alright. The extra long roots will cause a problem also if they are not removed, in that after a while they will just detach themselves from the main flower or plant, whatever you call it. And this is, I just let this stay right here and watch it to see what happens. I removed these earlier today. I removed some plants earlier before video. Alright, I removed them and placed into the parent pond, like the parent of the chromites. So the plants to the front have already been replaced. Right? But I am looking to remove the other plants. I'm not going to be placing a lot of plants in it, because as I said in earlier videos, this pond is what I use to feed the other ponds in which I have with plants. So I'm going to be placing the plants in which I took from the fry tank right here. I'm going to be replacing them. I'm going to be placing them in. Let them see, and the pleco have not eaten. As I said, the water is cold, so as if they are not eating as what they normally do. I am replacing the plants I just took out a while ago. These are the plants with the snail eggs. Right? So when the snails do become mature, the jack dempsey will have a feast. And I think the pleco will also have a feast. Alright. Thank you for making it, fish people in Jamaica. I hope that this video was informative. So you can play around that with your fish pond or fish tank. You don't have to kill the snails. You can actually use the snails to feed other fish. Alright, and this is how I do it. I just take the plants with the eggs and I just place them into the jack dempsey tank, and I know that the jack dempsey love them. Okay, and if I had Oscars, the Oscars would love them also. Earlier on I said that the water would be a little bit green as soon as the sun comes up. Now the sun is up, and you notice the water is getting very green. Alright, thank you for making a fish keep in Jamaica. Bye bye.